morning, dears. Yesterday's class we have completed up to question number 4. Look at question number 5. Here you have to compare. The numbers are given in exponential form and you have to compare which side is a greater. Here you have to get the value in a simple form. Though it is given in exponential form, you have to find the value of this exponential form's numbers. You have to find in a simple form. As example, 10 square, it gives you 100, and 2 to the power 10, that gives you 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 to the 64 to the 128 to the 256 to the 512 to the 1024. So what is greater? We can see now 100 is less than 1024. So that's what 10 square is less than 2 to the power 10. In this way you have to do. Look at number 2. It is given 3 to the power 4 or 4 to the power 3. So 3 to the power 4, it gives you 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81 or 64, or 81 is greater than 64. So that's what 3 to the power 4 is greater than 4 to the power 3. In this way we have to solve question number 5. Okay, look at number 7. 5 square or 10. So 5 square gives you 25 or 10, or 25 is greater than 10. So that's what 5 square would be greater than 10. So in this way question number 5 can be done. Now question number 6. Here we have to evaluate. Here we have to find the value. What will be the final value? First you write this. So you will be doing question number 5 in this way. Look at question number 6. It is given 2 to the power 4 into 1 by 4 whole square, or 2 to the power 4 gives you can write it 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 if you want. Now 2 2s are 4, this is cancelled, so I am left with 1. Or number 2 gives us C minus 1 by 3 to the power 5 into minus 3 by 5 to the power 5, is it? So I will be writing minus 1 by 3 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 into minus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5, is it? 1 2 3 4 5, all the 3's are cancelled, is it? Now this side I am left with minus 1, on that side I am left with minus 1 by 5. 5's are 25, 5's are 125, 5's are 625, 5's are 5 5's are 25, 5 2's are 10 and 2 12, 5 6's are 30 and 1 31. So this gives you 1 by 3125. In this way this has to be done. Okay, now see question number 3 or question number 6. It is given 2 whole 3 by 4 whole cube into 20. 4 2's are 8 and 3 11 by 4 whole cube into 20. If you want you can write it together. Into 20. Now 4 16s are 4 5s are. Cannot cancel more. Then this gives you 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15 and 1 16, 5 1s are 5 and 1 6 by 16. So like that we'll solve question number 6. So you have to complete 5 and 6 both. If there is any doubt you can ask me. And question number 7 we can see now, and then afterward just up to 7 only we'll finish today. Okay, look at question number 7. C is equal to 2 and D is equal to 3. The first one is C plus D whole cube. So 2 plus 3 whole cube, 5 whole cube, 125. Is it? Look at number 4. It is given C plus D to the power D divided by C plus D to the power C. Is it? Now C plus D, 2 plus 3 to the power 3 divided by 2 plus 3 to the power 2. So this gives you 5 to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power 2. 125 divided by 25, answer is 5. Okay, look at number 5. D minus C whole cube. So D is 3 minus 2 whole cube. 1 whole cube is equal to 1. So most of the things we have done in 7. 7 there are 2 sums left. 6 there are 2 sums left. And in 5 there are 4 sums left. So 2, 2, 4, 4, 8 sums you have to complete along with this writings. And if there is any doubt you can ask me in comment box. Okay, till then keep practicing. Thank you so much for today.